Well, here we are at Ikea. It is Tuesday morning. It's probably about a little after 11. I got up and I had to drive to Rhode Island where my granddaughter lives. And I don't know if you saw my video of when we did the shopping for the Disney Spirit Week. Well, I brought her home Sunday and left half of it at my house. I was heartbroken for the kid. And so luckily, one of the things that I did remember was the blue dress for Sully Day or Mike Wazowski Day. You know, you pick which one you wanted. So she got the blue dress because she liked Mike Wazowski. And was that? No, Sully. Woo! She likes Sully. So if you liked blue, if you liked Sully, you wore blue. If you liked Mike Wazowski, you wore green. This is a light here in the parking garage kind of illuminating on me. And then today was Toy Story Day, and she was dressing up as Jessie with her cowboy hat and the yellow dress. So luckily for her, or me in my travels, that stuff got home to her. But the rest of it was in a bag on my couch. She had brought so much with her to come down for the weekend. Anyways, I safely dropped off everything for the rest of the week at her house. She does live over a mile away from me, so I've been traveling this morning. And I said, you know what? While we're traveling, we might as well go to Ikea. I've been wanting to go to Ikea for a while. Not quite sure why. I've bought things from Ikea in the past, and I don't know, I think it's just an interesting store to go in. I like the cafeteria that they have here. I don't really necessarily like to walk around and see the how they have the showroom and you know, all the rooms made up out of such a small space, but I do like to go down to the bottom to go to the warehouse. So what I figured I would do with you is just take you around IKEA a little bit with me before I go home. So let's do just that. Let's walk into the store and see what they have.
That's cool.
All right, 59-cent lint rollers. It's not a lot on here at all, and I already have one of these at home, so it's not anything I need. There's a little display. I know I said I don't like to really look at the rooms, but this is where the escalator took me, so it's just a little room, kind of cute. This desk is kind of cute. Real cute for $2.29. Not my style. Oh, that actually looks like a real window. It's not. Pretty cool though. What is that? It's just a little shade, but they have it behind a like a picture with a light behind it. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And this is cute for a kid. Bunk bed, a little area underneath. Really cool. All right, this is the only little apartment I'm going to show you. This is like a 500 square foot, which it's kind of my dream to live in a tiny home. I kind of do already. The condo I'm in, but that's like 895 square feet. This is really cute. Nice little living room. Really cute. And these baskets right here, I already have those baskets at home. Okay, so I am going to eat this salad, and it has a little serving of chicken and Newman's Own balsamic vinaigrette in a water. And, whoops, my receipt. This lunch came to $8.44. So I'm going to eat this real quick, and then we will shop a little bit. Okay, so I was hungry, as you can see. I ate most of the salad, way too many croutons, and there was a lot of chicken. So yeah, I still have my water, but it's time to find a trash receptacle and a dish return, and then we will go down to the lower level to the warehouse and see what they have. Really good price, but I just don't need any plates or bowls. These carafes are $1.99, and they would make a really cute vase. Do I need another vase? Not really, but I don't have a clear vase, so I think I'm gonna get one of these. That's different. I like this display. This looks really nice on this little end table. And these pillows look like corn. To me, they do. It's like a fall Halloween look to it. These placemats are great, but they're $6.99. Let's see over here. Vinyl placemat for 49 cents. That's that one. Maybe that one. 49 cents is not bad though. Alright, there's a lot of pillows. Different designs though. Not that expensive. $3.99. Really not anything that I go for though. What's that, like a houndstooth or something? That looks like some little flowers. Almost looks like pineapple. I know it's not pineapple, maybe tulips or something. This isn't my style, but I like it. I don't know why. Must be the colors. Don't even know how much they are. Alright, more pillows just like it, and there is the price. $29.99. No. Some blankets and throws.
Join us for Tasty Tuesdays when Ikea family members can get any adult hot entree in our Swedish restaurant for only $3.99. This includes salmon, chicken tenders, our famous meatballs, and more. Tuesdays now mean any adult hot entree in our restaurant for only $3.99 for Ikea family members. Selection may vary by store.
This is the rug section here, and I really, really like the look of this whole thing here. Now it's a rug on the bottom naturally, but I just like the chair, the pillow, the lamp, and I like the rug on the wall look. That's pretty cool too. But a rug flat woven is $80. I'm not paying $80 for anything, but that's pretty cool. And like I said, I really like the look of that. A lot of baskets. A lot of baskets. And I like these. Says it's on sale. I don't know the price, but they are really cool looking. I don't even know the price, but look at them. They are cool. Really cool. So I just asked the associate how much they are, and they rang. He did a little scan thing. They are $29.99, and that's still too expensive. These lights are pretty cool, especially these dragonflies. Those are cool.
Create a better everyday life for many people, and one of the ways we do this is by offering our customers.
Look at these lamps. These are cool. These are beautiful. These white lights. Really, really pretty. All right, this is the stuff that I really like are just the prints. You can buy them, they're inexpensive, and you can buy a frame. Really cool. Put those up there. Be who you need to be. Like the one with the bike and the basket. Really cool. Roosters. There's some clocks. Alright, now we're getting to the stuff that I like. Well, I like it all, but this is the stuff that's right up my alley. These are little, I think they're glass. Yeah, they're glass. Little cactuses. Get some pumpkin packs here. I have enough of that stuff at home. I actually have an hourglass that I got here a few years ago. And what else? A lot of vases. A lot of flowers are coming down here. This is like plastic, but it doesn't really look plastic. How much is that? $8.99. So these are $1.99. The last thing I need is an artificial potted plant. I have enough plants in my home already, and I have enough of these artificial plants. As nice as they are, I don't know. I don't see any too inviting. But yeah, $1.99. These plants are all real. Definitely don't need another one of these. I got two. One of them I already just trimmed yesterday. These are pretty. I've never had one of these. Never have had an orchid. I've bought them before for people, but never had one of my own. These are all real. $12.99. But yeah, these are all real plants. Oh, so I take it this is the clearance section. Last chance, up to 75% off select articles. Let's see what they got. Looks like the roses are $2.99. These are pretty cool.
The bumpers are there, and that's it.
So these are scented candles for 99 cents. And this one doesn't smell like anything. But these ones are supposed to smell like smoke or fire. And I'm going to tell you what, they definitely smell like smoke. It smells like a straight up house fire. And for 99 cents, that's not anything that I probably want to burn or be smelling. Now these are really cool, and I think that would be pretty in my kitchen. What are those, onion blooms? Or whatever, they're not onion blooms, I'm sorry. They're bulbs, and they are creeping out of the pot, and there's flowers. And I was looking, hold on, there's some loud people. I was looking for the price, and it says, where is it? The FUJKA, which is, or FEJKA, it was $12.99. It's $6.49. So I think I'm going to get one of these. And there it is. I said it was onion blooms. It looks like onion blooms to me. It's whatever. Correct me. Tell me in the comments below, what flower is that? And here's some more candles at the 75% off. Let's see what they are. It's a lot of this smoke, fire scented candle. And again, I just really don't want to be smelling that in my house. It's cool to smell outside if you're like having a campfire, but that's, I don't know, that would trigger me into something. I don't know, what does this smell? I don't know. They have Halloween candles out. Oh, here we have some tea light holders for 49 cents. They must be over there because these ones don't look like they're 49 cents. $1.99, $2.99. Well, these are pretty. These are really pretty. Alright, so the candle holders that are really pretty, the white ones are $2.49, and I'm trying to figure out where I would put these if I were to get them. I really don't have a place. And I'm not going to buy something just to buy it because I like the way it looks. Because if I went with that, I'd be in trouble. How much are these? These are cool. These are cool. But I don't need them. Especially for $9.99. It's my cat running away. Alright, $99 for one of these side tables or nightstands, which you know, if I wait long enough, I will find free on the side of the road. Okay, so now we're going to go to the As Is Deal of the Day articles up to 79% off section. And here are some seats or chairs that are 50% off. I don't need any furniture, but let's go check this out anyways. Alright, they have these wreaths. They're $4.99, but they look really bare, like they could use some help. That would be good, like in the fall. Wrap some like leaves around it, right? What else do they got? Scary looking mirror. Alright, these are $4.99. Looks like a 4th of July wreath. Pretty cool. Don't need it. Yeah, I definitely don't need a throw for $34.99. I don't. Let's see what else. I get get some furniture. My car's down this aisle. We'll find out in a minute. So here we are, back where we started from. Let me put the little light on. All right, that's a little better. So, what did I get in Ikea, that huge store with so many items in it that I really didn't need? I liked a lot of this stuff, didn't get it. There was a basket that I really liked. I could see some throws in it if the basket was just sitting on the floor, like a blanket or pillow basket, but it was over $30 or just $30, and I wasn't. So, Ikea, I spent $10.06. So what did I get? Again, I got this plant for my kitchen, and it's going to look really cute in that area where I redid it and put like flowers, you know, the prints or whatever, and more flowers in it. And I thought it was $12.99, and I thought it was onion blooms. For all I know, it could be. Doubt it. It just looks like onions. Yes, it does look like onions. $6.49. $6.49. And then my 99-cent mixing bowl. 99-cent mixing bowl. I don't have a large plastic mixing bowl, so there I go with that. And I had to wrap this up. The craft, which I'm going to use as a little base, it was $1.99, like I said. So let me wrap that back up. And yeah, that was different. A little bit of different video for today. I am on vacation from work this week. This is day 2. Yesterday I went to the beach. So yeah, it's rainy. It's not raining in the parking garage naturally, but it has been raining. And so I'm probably just going to go home and relax a little bit. Might do some laundry. I am on vacation, but you know, the world doesn't stop and laundry doesn't stop just because we're on vacation, right? Right. So yeah, I am going to start my car and get on the road. It's probably about 45 minutes to an hour to get home to where I live from here. I am out in Stoughton, Massachusetts. That's the nearest Ikea. And yeah, thank you for going on this little ride with me and going through the store with me. I hope you're all well. I will talk to you soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.